Hello, this is Learn Arena and you are watching a tutorial about making tables in HTML. In the previous videos, we learned how to build a simple HTML page with basic codes. As we promised in the last video, this tutorial is about creating tables on the web page using HTML. To get started, we have a page with basic codes. If you have seen the previous videos, you must know that the HTML tags in most cases should be open and close. We have the head and body tags between the HTML tag. In the head tag, we have the title tag in which the title of the page is written there. In the body tag, first we use the HA tag to make these words appear larger on the screen. This is HA. So it represents the larger size in H tag by default. Finally, we use the paragraph tag in the body, as you see. In this case, we want to draw a table with some names in the first row, something like Jack, Joe, and John. And we put their numbers, their grades or whatever in the second row. To create a table on a web page, we use the table tag like this. To create a row in a table, we use the TR subtag that stands for table row. And to create each columns in the table, we use the TD subtag among the TR tag like this. And we write the names in the TD subtag. So far we have a table with 1 row and 3 columns. As you can see in these codes, now we need to create a new row at the bottom of the previous row. To save some time, let's copy paste the first line. That's right. Here we need to enter the numbers related to each column. For example, we put these numbers here. So here it is, 8 and 7, and we have 9 in here. Let's save our codes and view the file in the browser. That's right. A simple table with 2 rows and 3 columns that implies basic aspects for making any other tables on the web page. You can simply make more complex tables. You just need to do some practice. Use different modes and methods to make different tables. Of course, if you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the comment section. I hope this video was useful for you, and in the next videos we will learn about other HTML tags like forms. If you like this video, press like button, and if not, be sure to write your suggestions in the comment area. We will use these comments in our next videos. Thanks for watching.